I don't know what happened with my... Okay, what was I? Okay, what is the answer? Mm. Basically after this we are going straight for the task. Okay? What is wrong with this Wi-Fi? Anyone got any answer? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I almost forgot. For your code of the session, and not the code that ni the code of the session mana aku letak benda lah tu. Please, it's not dev push self data or hashtag node class. No, it's not that. It's actually this. I'll copy this. The code for your attendance is this. Hash these tables. There you go. This is the code for the session. Sorry for the inconvenience because my Wi-Fi is just suddenly wants to go on its own. I don't know why. Okay, hash these tables. Okay, so are you done? Okay. Let's go back to this. Okay, so basically what will happen is when I run this, so you will get the latest key is 98, 1, 15, 7, 10, 5, and 20. Whereas the values are IIUM, IIUM. You can see how do they change in the process. But for now, IIUM, ACIE, Lab, Python, C++, DSA, and last but not least, PHP. Like that. Okay. So if you notice, H1 ECIE, the index is 1. So you put it on the index number 1. KOE is number 20. 20 goes to number 6. So we got KOE here. And then we have number 5, DSA. So we put the DSA on the 5th position. And we print out, which is this. And then we put again another one, which is H15, the lab. So the lab is on the first one, but it has something. So we push it to the next one, which is number 15, index number 2. Okay. And we put the lab also there. And then H7 Python. We notice that the index after it is being rehashed is 0. We go to 0, 0 is taken. We go to 1, 1 is taken. We go to 2, 2 is taken. We go to 3, 3 is not taken. 3 is empty. So we put number 3. Like that. We print again. So we get this. And then we put the 10 and we put the 20. The 20, since the 20 is same as the previous one, which is the KOE, we just change the KOE into PHP. However, for number 10, we get the remainder to be number 3. Number 3 is on Python. We go for the next one, we get number 4, which is none. So we put none, we change the none into C++, like that. And then we try to print out H1, H20, and we want to print out H30. H30 does not exist. So we return none, like that. Okay. So is everyone understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, and then I just hope the task you give will be full also. Okay. Uh, feel free to ask me. Okay. Uh, so since since everyone say yes silently, okay, and then so I'm just gonna skip to the task. Not this one. Let us excuse that one. So let us go for task number 4. Okay, task number 4. So create a hash table of size 5. I will say earlier, size 5 that has the following features. First, it can hash only the string keys. Okay, it does so by taking the first letter, all of them are lowercase. So and change. I think I should have put the closing bracket there. By taking the first letter and change it to a number according to the alphabetical order. So meaning that A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 until Z is 26. So first of all, you don't have to worry about the numerical keys. Okay. So the modulo function still applies. It's just that you need to change the keys into numbers. Okay. So hash name. So that's the first one. Number 2, it uses linear rehashing whenever collision happens. So I've told you about this. Okay, it must use linear rehashing. Basically, you add one and you rehash, and you about the set item and get item. This is basically, you can read the code. basically what set item and get item means, it allows you to treat the class as if it is an array. Okay, so if you put set item, so hash name, hash single quote name equals Zikri, for example. Okay, hash age equals 20, hash gender equals M. Okay, and let's say if they want to get the item, basically this. So what should we return? So hash name, we get what value? So that's basically set item and get item. Okay. For task 4b, I want you to implement an internal function delete that deletes a value inside the hash table using its key as the parameter. So basically, I want you to take the key, the parameter, you rehash, you hash the key, you find the key in the hash table, you remove the key as well as the value. Okay, so this is the code that I will append, or you want to try. This is the code that I will test on your code to see whether you get it, you satisfy the task or not. Okay, so do you understand about this? I think for this one I can stop streaming. Okay, goodbye YouTube peeps.